Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So in this episode we're gonna go and collect the Caddy. So I'm not sure if you guys remember, but on the last episode we got the body prepped and ready to send off to the body shop. I've just had a call today and they've said that I can come and pick up the body. The doors and the tailgate and the bonnet are going to be done on another day, so I'll have to collect them maybe later this week or month, not too sure yet, but I don't really need them at the moment. I just need the body back so I can get all of the other stuff put back in, but we'll go through that later in the episode. Before I show you the final finish of the Caddy, let me just show you some clips that the body shop sent me so you can see everything that's gone into it. There might be some photos that I can throw up as well, but yeah, let's get into it. Okay, so the Caddy's back, guys. So looking at it, the bodywork is super good and I'm really happy with the final result. So looking at it, it's really shiny. Unfortunately, the back bed, they didn't sand and polish it, but I can do that maybe in the future. So it's not as shiny as the rest of the body. I guess it would have taken them quite a long time to polish and sand the bed. To go in between all of the grooves would have been a bit of a hassle. But looking at the body, it's so shiny and smooth. I'm really happy with the final result. So this is the roof. They also done the floor pans, the front and the rear, and also the roof. The wheel arches, I've already done them myself, and the engine bay. The colour match is quite good. You can't really tell the difference of the shade between the one that I done and the body shop done. They also sprayed inside the cowl over there. But yeah, I'm really happy with the final result of it. So just going through everything what I need to do. I need to get the tailgate, of course, when it's back, put the rear light pods in as well, and also the rear lights, get the loom ran for the rear lights. So I'm planning on sending the loom off to get redone. Just some of the wires are a bit brittle on there. Also the engine loom, send that off and get that all sorted out. Also, so the interior needs to all go back in. I'm not too sure on the color scheme that I'm going to go for with the interior, but yeah, we'll find out in the future. So, and I need to get the dashboard back in and the fuse box all connected up. Once that's all done, I guess I can start plumbing up the engine and trying to get it to fire up. But there's a lot of work that still needs to be done on the Caddy. But I'm really excited on where I am at the moment because it's looking awesome. You can see how shiny the roof is. There are some parts where I can see that it needs a little bit more wet sanding and polishing, but at the moment I'm just going to leave all of that, try and get the body, everything put back together, and then maybe in the future just sand and polish the whole car when it's all put back together. But yeah, I know this is a bit of a short episode, guys, but I just wanted to give you guys an update on where the Caddy is at the moment. But if you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to like and subscribe. Also, follow my Instagram for updates that you won't see on my channel. Thanks a lot for watching, guys.